Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is TCL 40R 5G, and in this video I am going to show you how to add loyalty card to Google Wallet on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to just find the Google Wallet app. Then we have to click on the Add to Wallet option. And right here we have to choose loyalty card. Now here we can choose whatever loyalty card from popular nearby we want to, or we can just search it right here. But I am going to use this one, and we can scan the QR code with our camera or enter member ID manually. And then if we do this, we can just click Add to Wallet, and that's how our loyalty card is looking like. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!